The swollen part inside your upper arm is a muscle. Bones are covered with muscles. Muscles are made up of bundles of muscle fibers. The muscles cause movement. Without muscles, you couldn't open your mouth, speak, shake hands, walk, talk, or move your food through your digestive system. There would be no smiling, blinking, breathing. You couldn't move anything inside or outside you. The fact is, without muscles, you wouldn't be alive for very long. Each muscle causes a particular movement.
Your brain is clearly up in your head, while your leg is clear down on your body. How does your brain talk to your leg? Somehow they must be connected for talking. This connection between your brain and your leg, as well as every other part of your body, is known as your nervous system. You can also say the nervous system is the highway along which your brain sends and receives information about what is happening in your body and around it. Nerves are the groups of fibers that connect the brain with the other parts of the body. They carry messages from the body to the brain and back from the brain to the body. Nerves from the head and the neck join the brain. Nerves from the other parts of the body join the spinal cord. What is spinal cord? The spinal cord is a long bundle of nerves inside your vertebral column or the backbone. The spinal cord is connected to the brain. So, it is the spinal cord and the nerves that let messages flow back and forth between the brain and the body. Thus, the main organs in the nervous system are the brain, spinal cord, and the nerves. We know about the main organs of the nervous system. Let us see how they coordinate with each other. Suppose an ant bites on your hand. You feel the itch and start scratching your hand. How does this happen? The skin feels the itch and the nerves send electrical message to the spinal cord, which sends it to the brain. The brain interprets the message and sends the response. The response is received by the spinal cord. From the spinal cord, the nerves carry the message to the hand muscles. When the message reaches your hand, your muscles obey and do as they are instructed. That is, start scratching your other hand where the ant bit you. We see generally the brain coordinates the responses. But sometimes a very quick response is needed. We cannot waste time to think. These are the emergency actions. During such times, is it necessary to involve the brain? No, we can do without consulting it. These are called reflex actions. A reflex is an involuntary or automatic action that your body does in response to something, without you even having to think about it. Reflexes protect your body from the things that can harm it. For example, by mistake, if you put your hand on a burning candle, a reflex causes you to immediately remove your hand even before any message goes to your brain. It is the spinal cord that instructs the muscle to remove your hand. The emergency actions are taken care by the spinal cord itself to save time. So in a nutshell, reflexes are processed directly by the spinal cord instead of the brain, thus allowing you to respond very quickly to danger without wasting time thinking about what you should do. Can you compare the nervous system with something else? Yes, one can compare the nervous system with the computer. Nervous system is like a computer because both use electrical signals to send messages. Both have a memory that can grow. Both can adapt and learn. But the most important and amazing thing is human brain is far more intelligent than the computer. It enables you to speak, play sports, listen to the music, imagine and learn different things. Great, isn't it? To sum up, the brain, spinal cord, and the nerves are the major organs of the nervous system. The nervous system controls everything we do: to think, to take decisions, to remember, to learn, voluntary activities, that is, activities which are under our control, like muscle movement, involuntary activities, that is, activities which are not under our control, like breathing, heart pumping,